Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to go through the FBA new selection program, how to enroll to this program. So, in a nutshell, this program it's for new sellers, and if you're a professional seller, and if you are enrolled to FBA, basically you can get some free money in terms of uh, for if there is any removal, you can get some free removals for standard size and an oversize, and you'll get around 116 sponsored ads. And this is like $100 in the US, and there will be $200 in total. So it will be split into two, and you can use those amount. Basically, it's free and free returns, free storage fees. So there is a limitation, like if for if it's standard, it's like 50 units, and if it's a large size, there is a 30 units. All the details are mentioned here. I will put the link down in the description for you to go through. So this mentions everything: the program details, who is eligible, and the age and eligibility, and there is FAQ. There is terms and conditions. So uh, please go through it before you enroll it. So let's jump into on how to enroll to this program. Okay. If you don't have this link, what you can do, you can just search for new FBA selection program over here. Okay, that will give you the link, and you can click on enroll now. And that's it. You have chosen to participate for the FBA selection program. It's just one click, but you are going to get a lot of perks and everything. And Amazon, you will get an email saying the outcome. They will check it, and they will let you know later on at some point. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.